Hello and welcome everyone in a new video in your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to like it and also to subscribe to our channel, and let's start. In today's video I will show you how to change your location on Tinder app. So let's get started. First of all, of course, you should install Tinder application, and the second step is that you should have premium account on Tinder, because only premium accounts can change their location. I know that you can use some VPNs to change your location, but the Tinder app easily can detect those VPNs and they may even ban your account. So after opening your account, and as I said that you must have a premium account, you just go to your profile and then click on the settings icon in the top right of the screen. And after that, as you can see, there is a setting called Discovery Settings, and under this setting there is another one called Location. So to change your location, you just click on this, on this setting, and after that you click on Add a New Location in the bottom of this setting. Click on it, and as you can see here, there is the map of the world. You can choose directly from the map. For example, I don't know, for Tunisia, I don't know, for example, I click in any place, for example in this place, and if you like this place, you just click on go to Kasserine, for example, or any name of a place, and he will directly take you to this place. And for the second option, you click on Add a New Location, and after that you click on the top of the screen on Search Locations, and as you can see, he will give you some suggestions for places. And then after that, you can choose any location you want, or type the name of the location that you want and click on search. For example, this is Sfax, my city, and click on it, and he will take you directly to this place. And like always, you just click on go to Sfax or the place that you want. So like this, you can change your location on Tinder app in an easy way. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like it and to subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.